Today is our AI event for MCC. This is the last event of this year, alhamdulillah. So today's presentation is a very soft presentation. We are not going to do any technical review here or any technical discussion, but have something very exciting about the community. It's more towards now, it's from the community to receive in this particular event. So I'm going to wrap up this event with the 2025 programs, what we have done, what we have delivered in MCC, and for the last 7-8 months, because we started AI journey in MCC around February timeframe, and alhamdulillah we could do almost 6 events, and all these events were from our individual team members here, alhamdulillah. So as a 2025 wrap up, what we have done, alhamdulillah, from the beginning, few of our musallis who are very interested and wanted to help the community with respect to what is AI and bring some expertise with their expertise, they want to help the community. So what wanted to help, and then we thought we'll form a team, and then we formed good team members, and then we started putting the plan what to be shared with the team. February 9th, we actually started our journey in MCC. We did program like AI and Islam. What is that as a Muslim we should be knowing, and then because it's something new in this field, and we all know we are all learning on this area. So alhamdulillah, we formed a team, and all our team members are MCC Musallis basically, who comes for Fajr Zohar. You can meet them here. Right after that, we said, okay, we formed a team of 9 members, and all of them are with various level of expertise. So internally we said we will try to address the community, because this is a large subject and the community is also large. So we want to address this with core technical AI versus the interviews and jobs and networking, and then finally we went with something like advanced features like startup entrepreneurship and funding. So we have covered, mashallah, almost all these areas with another success stories inside the community itself. Like we have bought some good students who have participated in AI in their local scholarships, local challenges, and alhamdulillah, we presented that here through this form. So today, we thought it's not going to be any technical presentation. It's going to be more what we are going to announce for the next 1 month. So alhamdulillah, we said hackathon is for one thing which we want to announce. It's going to be the first hackathon in MCC from SAC. And what is the theme of the hackathon is we want to have Innovate for a better community. So what does that mean? The background of this is until now, what we have, the AI team has given to the community is like teaching and shared the knowledge, shared the experiences, shared their vision. But we were also expecting now, if the community has followed us from January onwards, February onwards, if they are ready, they can participate and help our community. So Innovate for a better community is basically we are inviting the community to come, and if you have any ideas which you think you can benefit MCC, or you think this can be a solution to MCC, because you all are coming to MCC for various programs, prayers, and mashallah, we have so many events goes on here. So if you think there is some area of improvement and which you think you can help, so this is the time, this is the opportunity. We thought our musallis can help MCC. We are trying to say some examples here. How you can help. So with that, inshallah ta'ala, this is our first announcement of hackathon. Our hackathon timelines are like this. Inshallah, today we are announcing it, but registration we are going to open it at January, ending at January 7. We have a registration link. We will be shared that registration link to the team. Whoever wants to participate, registration deadline is January 7th, and then the hacking period starts from January 12th. So you can take this opportunity to with your ideas to either you develop this program or solution within your place, like at home, or you can form a team. If you think 2 or 3 members of your like-minded can form a team and have an idea, solve it. So you can form a team and then do your ideas and present. So, and then the submission is the last day of submission is January 25th. So you have good amount of time of 2 to 3 weeks and just to have the idea, generate, like meet the members who you want to have a team, or you can be an individual team member and then submit it. So through the registration link, you can do the submission. And then after the submission, we receive whatever projects or solutions we get. Inshallah, our AI team will be judging them and then doing the presentation. This is going to be on February 7th, and the winners and inshallah award ceremony will happen on February 8th. So following this timetable, inshallah ta'ala, we are hoping we are going to get some good solutions or ideas which can help MCC. This is just to cover MCC. MCC is one masjid where we want to start with. This, your solution can be for other masajids as well. So what can be our solution? What are our ideas? So we wanted to present something like this. If you want to serve the community, like all our masajids are having parking issues. The challenge what we have with the parking. These are all the example. If you think you have an idea of this, you can solve this with some options you have. So you can present it to use this hackathon period and then come up with your solution. If this solution is going to solve MCC problem, inshallah parking problem, it's going to be applicable to other masajids as well. We can replicate this. So we want to confine this to MCC, but it's going to be larger benefit for our larger community, inshallah. So this is just an example. Parking can be taken as one, and then also a community service with robust technology. Example, we have a lot of local businesses. People wants to promote. These days we are having some job challenges, so local business promotions can also happen. So we thought about it like you can. These are the ideas. You can use it. Help with proper communication. Communication is the key these days. If we don't have a communication properly, we are going to miss so many opportunities. So if you think there are some options or there are some opportunities where communication can help our larger community, if you think MCC should communicate this way, or if you think our masajid should communicate to the community, we do our notifications, we do our newsletters, we do our one-off emails, but still, if you have an idea, come up with that idea and help the community. So this is an opportunity we are thinking we can get benefit from our local musallis, inshallah. And addressing local masjid queries. We may have some local queries like some domestic issues, something which we wanted to address with events, religious events or ceremonies or technical events. If you think those are the queries, if you have within your reach, you can do it. So these are just a few examples. We thought we will give it to the audience. If this is not only the one, this is not the only ideas we want to pursue. If you think you have other than this, which can help MCC or any other masjid, please feel free. So the main idea is we want to invite, we encourage the community to come forward and help what is missing in terms of the services. We do, Alhamdulillah, MCC does so many services. MashaAllah, this is one of the masjid which has many services going on. But still, there is an area of improvement. There is still, you think you can do better. So what we can do better? So this is an opportunity for our community too. What are the logistics? With the hackathon, inshallah, our AI team is going to support the hackathon. If you get stuck somewhere in your development of your idea, and if you have any queries, you can come back to our AI team. Inshallah ta'ala, we are here to support during this time. Second, January 4th week, inshallah ta'ala, we are planning to set up here Friday night onwards a setup for hackathon, 3 days. So Friday night you can come by yourself or with your team, and if you are developing any solution, you can be here. We are thinking of having Khiyam that particular night, and you can be with the team members and develop the solution along with them. It's like a environment we want to make. This is a hackathon happening. We at the passive side also we are thinking whoever wants to do it individually, take the once the registration is over, you can do it your home by yourself. But January 4th is going to be like we are bringing we are inviting. We thought of inviting everyone so that the community will feel this is a hackathon period. You can do the coding. You can discuss with the team members. You'll have other team members to have networking with them. So that's the January 4th week. And participants can bring their own laptop. It's basically the logistic part. A registration link will be given in the newsletter, inshallah. And yeah, this is another exciting part. What we are thinking about the winners. We hope we are going to get, inshallah, 10 to 15 teams, because when the team were talking about it, so many people have shown the interest about hackathon. They want to participate. Once we have this submission, inshallah, AI team will review the submissions, and announcements of the winners will be on the 4th week of January. The prizes we thought about is, inshallah ta'ala, it's going to be a very exciting prizes. One is sponsorship. The winners will have some sort of training, 3 to 5 days, full day training on AI, advanced topics, inshallah ta'ala, whoever is winning it. And then some other prizes are like you can donate to your any of the organization which you think. So MCC and some of our sponsors are going to give the presentation, the prizes to that. And pretty much that's all on AI hackathon announcements. Then we were going to, inshallah, come back in the month of February, and we'll take a break in the month of Ramadan, because February and March we are taking break for Ramadan, and 2026 AI for community programs will resume, inshallah, in the month of April, inshallah ta'ala. With that, I think we are my presentation was these slides only. If you have any questions, or I am here to take Bismillah. Yes, sister. Wa alaikum assalam. Robotics, inshallah, we have done in the past, but not with AI team. We had our robotics team too. In the past, we have done some in MCC, but we can take that as another next 2026. We can use robotics for our AI things, inshallah. No, we did not put anything on minimum age. Anybody, because these days, mashallah, even at the sixth grader is doing the coding, mashallah. So with AI enabling so many things, so we have not put any age limit. So they can start, individuals with the age from 10 onwards, they can start, inshallah, if they want. Yeah, that definitely. We know this is a break time, holiday time period. We want to keep it very light, and it is intentional. We have not done any technical presentation today.
On that note, I think you mentioned about January 4th meeting. I have a feeling the same situation.
January 7th, we are asking the submission to happen.
Yeah, but you mentioned about Qiyam and everything on January 4th, right?
Yes. Yes.
I think we may have some. Actually, I won't be.
Yeah, because if we delay more, we'll be going to hit Ramadan. And if you have seen our programs, how we have set them, we started with February of 2025. We wanted to do every other month. So alhamdulillah, we did for the past 4 months continuously, August, September, October, and November, December. So this is so we don't have much time to delay on our announcements. So we want to squeeze it. That's why February 7th is the day.
How will you get that registration?
There is a registration form. We will be sending that registration form. We are expecting you to give the name and contact details and your team member name and your short description of your idea. And then there is a submission date option also. Yeah, MCC newsletter will send the registration link. Inshallah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, the solution can be of various formats. So, and we cannot confine them in one format only. If your solution is digital format, inshallah, we are hoping, inshallah, whatever the final product is coming out, it's a workable solution. And once you have a workable solution, then that's going to benefit not only MCC, other masjids also, inshallah. Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah, we know that today is not, we have very less content, just an announcement with some dates. So alhamdulillah, if we don't have any questions, then we can conclude. And look up for the registration link. And also we request you to inform others, your friends and your groups, wherever. And it is not only for MCC Musallis, it is for Tri-Valley, even SRVIC and ICL, other ICF, that Masjid Musallis can also take part in it. Finally, want to thank everybody, especially MCC giving this platform for us to present it, and the team, mashallah, real experts, and also the logistical team, Brother Munir and Sister Arjuman and Brother Marwais, for their always supportive in this program. With that, inshallah, we'll conclude 2025. Inshallah, we have done, mashallah, good programs on AI. I hope AI team will come back with 2026 good, more than 2025 what we had. Barakallahu fikum, inshallah ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.